Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Agus Vidya Purnama. I will present the result of my research. Grow carbohydrate accumulation and productivity of local glutinous coir Bima Pulut, Gimais for ceratina Kuleshov after seed priming and coconut coir as fertilizer application. Introduction. Pulut corn has widely developed in Central Asia and East Asia as corn for fresh consumption and commercial crops. Pulut corn is a special type of corn that has a delicious taste, is more savory, fluffier, and softer. Seed priming. Seed priming is a seed condition treatment at the planting stage. Seed priming is an alternative technological to overcome seed quality by seed treatment to induce psychological change in seed before planting. One of the PCR that can be used is gibberellin. Gibberellin are hormone that accelerate the germination, help shoot embryo formation, stem elongation, leaf growth, stimulate flowering, fruit develop. Effort to increase crop productivity by fertilizer are often hampered by the high price of synthetic chemical fertilizer or their availability, which is often scarce. One solution to find alternative fertilizer that can substitute the use of synthetic chemical fertilizer at low price and easy to obtain is to utilize plant residues or waste. Method. Coconut coir ash making. Coconut ash are split into small pieces for easy burning after plating. The coconut ash are put into the drum in a way arranged one by one. At the bottom of the drum, firewood is given while the mouth of the drum is closed so that the burning of coconut fiber occurs slowly so they good quality as obtained. The ash formed from the combination is the cool. Application of seed priming on corn kernels. Pulut corn were separated from the cobs, the divided into 3 groups, and soaking in a gibberellin. The concentration of gibberellin consists of levels, nominally Z1, 0, Z2, 150, Z3, 300 ppm, and soaking time for 12 hours. When finished soaking the corn, drain it and dry it or aerate for 24 hours. to be ready for plating. Plating corn seed priming. Make holes in each poly bag to a depth of 2-3 cm. Put corn seed in each poly bag. Cover the pastel with soil until evenly covered and water after the seeds are planted until they are wet. Data collection. Grow parameters. Plant height was measured using a ruler from the base of the plant to the high leaf monocot and to the grow point dicot. Contain the number of levels on each plant. Conclusion will carried out every 2 weeks from 40 to 56. Productivity parameters contain the number of crops from emerging to harvesting from the beginning of crop emergence. The life of the crop was measured from each sample from the base to the tip of the crop with a ruler. Measure instrument. Number of seeds per crop by contain the number of seeds per round per particular to the crops. The weight of the crop and without the crop weight or weight using a digital analytic scale in gram accurate out at the time of harvest. Determination of amylosa content is based on the reaction between amylosa and iodine. With production, with procedure, a blue color, the intensity of the blue color formed was measured with a spectrophotometer at the wavelength of 625. Productivity by calculation the number of plant and number of crops plant, the number of seed per crop with the formula. 3. Statistical analysis. The data obtained were analyzed using separate plot ANOVA with treatment arranged in A factorial. If the treatment is significant difference to K honestile significant difference test will be carried out 5%. The table above show the result analysis of organic coconut coir ash in day from of crops and bulks. In general, it can be seen the coconut coir ash has alkaline properties. Coconut coir has the potential to increase the pH of the soil. The total K value indicate The coconut coir ash contains a large amount of potassium, although the organic matter's content is low, the contained exchange capacity of coconut coir ash is quite large. That coconut coir has a largest total surface area which may carry out more contained exchange. The water content of coconut coir ash in higher the quality standard, meaning its ability to be liquid in the spot. The CN ratio in coconut coir, which is also high that the quality standard indicate a more optimal level of fertilizer maturity. The table above shows the application of seed priming in coconut has fertilized with ability to increase plant height productivity without crops and with ability to reduce the amylosa contained in the local pulut mygen seed. But some of the observed variable contained by increase the plant growth is influenced by several genetical traits and ability of plant to adapt to the environment in which they live. Conclusion. 1. Coconut coir has the potential to increase pH content largest amounts of potassium, although the organic matter content is low. The content exchange capacity is quite largest. Coconut coir has a largest total surface area, high moisture content, and high CN ratio. 2. Seed priming on local pulut Bima seed and application of coconut coir as fertilizer could not increase some of the growth variable and productivity in local pulut Bima seed, and were able to reduce amylosa contained in local pulut Bima seed, so it still need to be done further research. Reference. Thank you.